Welcome back to the channel, Apes and Apettes. I hope you guys are having a great morning or afternoon wherever you guys are at. Doesn't matter too much. Rest assured though, the red Santa hat was not working, so I'm working on getting a green one. But your guy woke up with a serious case of fucked up hair, so I'm just going to throw it on real quick before I can take a shower. Bear with me on that. Keep in mind, I won't be wearing it tomorrow because the red, not a good set to the start of the week. But what I want to talk about here in this video is going to be the cycles of the stock market. This is something that will make you guys a lot of money, and it directly plays into AMC and why I think a cycle or the secular rotation into AMC and other recovery stocks, other small and mid-cap stocks is coming here very, very shortly. We are also going to go over how just apes in general are winning, or I should rephrase that. The hedge funds that bet alongside apes are winning, and the hedge funds that don't are losing in a substantial way. You guys will get a ton of value out of that as well. So do what you guys got to do. Hit the like button for me and consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you guys want access to all of the trades in real time, check out the link for the buy and sell alerts. Link down below in the description. We have been making a ton recently, and we have also been making a killing. This next week is going to be very, very volatile, and there's going to be a lot of opportunities, and we're going to be taking full advantage of that. So check that out if you guys want to be a part of it. So diving into this, first things first, let's talk about the hedge fund situation, and then I want to talk about the secular rotation and why that is so important, and it'll make a lot of sense after you guys hear it. So hedge fund Senvest posts 85% return in 2021, riding GameStop meme among Wall Street's best. This was the top performing hedge fund in 2021 because they were long on GameStop. Anson Hedge Fund surged 45% in 2021 on meme stock frenzy. O'Day's Hedge Fund posts 54% gain in 2021 after wild ride. The theme here is all the same. The hedge funds that did the best and well outperformed the average hedge fund invested in your meme stocks, AMC and GameStop in more specifics or in particular. So what happened to the other hedge funds that did not? Well, the average hedge fund only posted a gain of 10.3% for all of 2021. And you guys can see that there has been numerous hedge funds that have lost substantial amounts. D1 Capital public bets falls 12% in December. Roko's hedge fund down 34% after they got a $1 billion payday. China's top quant hedge fund, High Flyer, apologizes for loss. Hedge funds struggle to lure new money as performance lags. And then we all know Anchorage Capital that is shutting down their $7.4 billion hedge fund, and other stories that we have covered here on this channel. It's no surprise that hedge funds are down bad, and the ones that did the best invested in your AMCs and your GameStops. So when you put that into perspective, that's why hedge funds have been buying AMC on this dip to the downside. Over the past 2 months, they have bought 32.2 million shares of AMC. That is far more than the average $2 to $10 million gain that you will see added every single month for the hedge funds since June. So why are they buying it so much? Because it's at a pretty much fundamental fair value, in my opinion, but there's a lot of upside coming due to this secular rotation. And what happens as bond yields start to go up, like we know is going to happen even more into the future, but has been happening since the Fed essentially announced they're going to be selling their bonds. Because if you guys don't know this, the Fed doesn't directly control the rates that you would get on, say, mortgages or car loans, but specifically on things like mortgages. They don't control that. They don't control the actual rates. They control the rates the banks lend to each other. That's the federal funds rate. But how they control real interest rates to keep them low is by buying these bonds and holding these bonds, so there's buyers for these bonds, which keeps the rates down low. Once they start to sell them, rates go up. You guys know the whole shebang. But the word on Wall Street is that this money that no longer is buying these bonds, because if the yields are going up, people are selling their bonds. People, hedge funds, as well as the Fed. So rates are going up. Where do they park that money? Word on the street is recovery stocks. Recovery stocks are about to see money flow into them like we have not seen before. And AMC is your recovery stock, but it also has a short squeeze trade aspect of this. So I think that's really why hedge funds are loading up on AMC right now, as well as other more, rotation stocks. And it all comes down to secular rotations within the stock market. So we all know, hopefully, if you've been in the markets for a while and you pay attention, that EV will go through its phase, where all EV stocks will be up on a day 10% and continue to rally that week or a couple weeks. Rarely you'll see penny stocks. And we just recently seen biopharma stocks that have been going crazy. Casanova, I know you guys have traded that. There's a ton of other ones. Asana. Some bio stocks, Pfizer, Moderna, Novavax, they've went through their rotation of money flowing into them. We've seen the meme stocks, which was like a year ago. It happened twice in 2022, in January and in June. You also have recently seen the rotation into big, large cap stocks. Your Teslas, Nvidia, Microsoft, Apple was a huge one, Google, Amazon. These companies, those are the companies that have been getting the money as of lately. And word on the street, I don't know, just word on the street. I've seen a lot of articles. I've seen a lot of people talk about this. A lot of people I know have talked about this. Money is about to flow into recovery as the pandemic after this third wave is likely to be done. So pretty exciting. And I think AMC is primed to benefit here from that in the next month. Maybe I would say a month until we start to see that actually happening. It could be this week. Who knows? That's not the point. It's coming, and that's what you need to know. So do your part. Hit that like button for me. Consider subscribing to the channel if you guys found value out of this video. Make sure to check out the link down below in the description for the buy and sell alerts. We have been killing it over there, and there's a lot of opportunity coming up as we do have the Fed meeting, the inflation rate, the Fed testifying in front of the Senate. We also have the bank earnings that are coming out, as well as the inflation ratings as well. So a lot of opportunities, a lot of trades to be made. But that's pretty much going to conclude this video. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. Love and appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.